Welcome back to Spy Garage.
By purposefully departing from the brand's more conventional family-oriented products, the 2026 Winnebago masculine luxury motorhome seeks to appeal to a niche market that values strong elegance, cutting-edge functionality, and an unabashedly powerful style. Winnebago's well-established reputation for comfort and dependability would be combined with a design language that prioritizes strength, sophistication, and a sense of commanding presence on the open road in this hypothetical vehicle. The 2026 Winnebago masculine luxury motorhome would probably have a strong and commanding appearance from the outside. Compared to traditional RVs, its lines would be more angular and less rounded, and it might have a wider, more aggressive grille design. Deep charcoals, matte blacks, and rich metallic grays are examples of sophisticated, darker color schemes that would probably predominate, maybe accentuated by dark chrome or brushed aluminum accents. Its capabilities would be highlighted by sturdy wheel designs, possibly with a look more reminiscent of off-road vehicles. A sleek, high-tech look would be enhanced with integrated LED lighting for both road illumination and subdued outdoor atmosphere. Overall, it would convey a sense of strength and intentional design, indicating a high-end automobile made for discriminating buyers who value a strong, masculine look. Internally, the masculine luxury idea would be translated into a sophisticated yet useful living area that is intended to be both comfortable and useful. The selection of materials would be based on their sophisticated appearance, tactile quality, and longevity. Rich leathers or sturdy, high-performance textiles in earthy tones, deep blues, or charcoal grays would go well with darker wood finishes, possibly with noticeable grain. More ornamental components would be swapped out for accents of brushed metal, such bronze or stainless steel, which would add an air of industrial style. The design would promote integrated storage solutions, eliminate clutter, and give priority to open space and clean lines. The motorhome would be at the vanguard of technological progress. Entertainment demands would be met via a cutting-edge infotainment system, possibly with a powerful sound system. Strong cellular boosters and satellite internet are examples of advanced connection technologies that would guarantee residents stay connected even in isolated areas. Integration of smart homes would enable simple control over the operation of appliances, lights, and the climate. This philosophy would be reflected in the driver's cockpit, which would have modern driver assistance technologies, digital displays, and ergonomic controls for a safe and secure driving experience. Its identity would be centered on power and competence. This RV would probably be constructed on a sturdy frame that would offer stability and a large towing capacity. A strong engine, possibly diesel, would provide smooth highway travel and the capacity to handle a variety of terrains. Its sturdy design would also suggest improved sound absorption and insulation, which would help create a peaceful inside atmosphere regardless of the outside weather. The 2026 Winnebago masculine luxury motorhome would cater to a market that wants more than just a way to go around. They want a powerful, independent mobile home that expresses their individuality and offers an unwavering degree of luxury and functionality. For people who value subtle power and elegant utility, it would be a statement car and an opulent haven.